So you want to create food photography of your favorite food items for absolutely free? Well, worry no more, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you the complete process to create amazingly looking food photographies of whatever dishes you want for your restaurant business or anything. And yeah, mind you, this whole process would be absolutely free by using Midjourney Alternative, so I don't have to pay that $10 even. So yeah, this is Usman from SkillCurve, and let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so first of all, I basically finalized 2 AI image generators for you that I'll be using for food photography in this video, so that are Ideogram and Alpaca ML. Because obviously not everyone likes to spend that $10 on Midjourney, because as we guys know, like if you talk about photography types, like whether it's product photography or food photography or fashion photography, like Midjourney is considered to be the best AI image generator for that purposes, right? But yeah, I'm gonna prove it wrong in this video. So we're gonna be doing food photography absolutely free without paying that $10 in Midjourney. So I'll be using free AI image generators. That will be again Ideogram and Alpaca ML, all right? So yeah, one more thing. So that won't be any like image to image generation process. So we're gonna be creating food photographies with just pure textual prompts. So yeah, that's amazing, all right? So yeah, first of all, you need to jump into your ChatGPT for creating your prompts, because prompts will be the main key thing in your food photography. So yeah, first of all, I basically type in my prompt and I said to ChatGPT, like, create me more prompts like this for different food eatable items for my food photography of a restaurant business. So yeah, and a very important thing is that every prompt should start with food photography, right? So if you talk about Midjourney alternatives, so yeah, for that specifically, if you are creating photographies, so for that, you need to start with the word photography. So if it is product photography, to start with product photography. So if it's fashion, you need to start with fashion. And in this case, we're going to start every prompt with food photography, right? So here are some of the prompts of every possible food items that you'll be needing in your restaurant business. And yeah, you guys would be amazed by how beautiful we're going to be generating results with these textual prompts, all right? And we'll also be generating variations of the images as well. So first of all, let's just say, if you want to go ahead and create food photography of your beef burger, right? A juicy beef burger. So I'm going to copy a prompt from here, come to my Alpaca ML. So yeah, that is basically considered as one of the best alternative of Midjourney. So I'm going to type in my prompt just that: food photography, a juicy beef burger with melted cheese, fresh lettuce, tomato, and a side of crispy fries on a wooden board, right? So let's just say if I go ahead and generate this, so within just few seconds, it's gonna generate me this result. Wow, this looks absolutely perfect, right, you guys? Like, take a look at the clarity of this image. This image, no doubt, looks really, really good to the point. So now let's just say if you want to create more variations of this same juicy burger, like same beef juicy burger. So we're gonna go ahead and copy the same prompt and try it in our Ideogram as well. And you'll be amazed by how beautiful it's gonna generate the results for you. And here we go, guys. So here we have all of the results of our juicy beef burger that is created by Ideogram. And yeah, this looks absolutely perfect, right? So take a look at the both of the examples side by side. The both images turned out really good. So let's just say if you want to add more and more information in your prompt in order to get more and more variations of your food photography. So how you can do that? So we're going to jump straight back to our ChatGPT again. And I basically typed in my prompt, like, now we have same items with these things only in the prompt listed below. So I'm going to add motion, like angle details, composition, lighting, settings, and creative advertising. So if you want to go ahead and advertise, like, you know, have your standard wording in your photography, so you can absolutely do that as well. I'm going to show you in a moment. So let's just say I go ahead and take the same prompt, but now I'm going to go ahead and add drizzling ketchup over the burger for my motion in the food photography, all right? So let's just say I simply add this in my Alpaca ML and Ideogram as well. So I'm gonna put comma and input that information, generate both of the results, okay? All right, so now you guys can see now we have the drizzling ketchup over the burger as well. So now we have added motion to that. So let's just say if I want to add more and more details in our food photography, so how can I do that? So let's just say I provide low angle close-up shot to that as well. So let's just see what changes is gonna bring in our food photography now. All right, so this looks absolutely perfect. So now we have a low angle close-up shot of our same juicy burger. Now take a look at all of these variations, right? I created with just textual prompts, and now I have so many footages of my juicy beef burger that I can simply advertise it for my restaurant business, right? So now arise a question. Let's just say if you want to go ahead and add branding or, a stand-up line into my photography. So how can I do that? So yeah, I simply have added like savor the juiciness for my creative advertising for my food photography or juicy burger. So I'm going to copy that. And if you want to go ahead and input like typography or input like wording in your images. So for that, ideogram is the best tool for you, right? So I'm going to simply go ahead and add that information now. So now let's just go ahead and generate this. All right, so take a look at this, guys, right? This looks absolutely perfect. So yeah, now we have like the advertising images as well for our food photography of a juicy beef burger, right? So similarly, let's just say I want to go ahead and create food photography of a plate of a creamy pasta carbonara with crispy bacon bits topped with grated parmesan and parsley. So yeah, I basically created these results out of that with different camera angles, with different variations, and you guys can see all of these images, right? These look absolutely perfect, right? And if you talk about the typography or branding into that, so take a look at this. So yeah, this looks absolutely perfect. So now we have indulged in comfort branding right there integrated into our food photography of a plate of a creamy pasta. And yeah, you guys can see photographies turned out absolutely perfect, right? And similarly, we can go ahead and do that with our sushi platter. Like take a look at this, all of these variations. And then we have for the creative advertising as well, we have an experience authenticity in that. And then if you talk about more, then we have a rustic pizza with a crispy crust. And you guys can see all these variations. These are looking really, really good. Like take a look at the details into that. And you guys can notice, right? We have very much consistent style in every food photography. And yeah, the creative advertising looks really, really good, right? And similarly for the last one, we have a kind of a dessert, a chocolate cake slice, rich layers. And for the creative advertising of that, we have sweet temptation. And yeah, all these images as well as the typography looks really, really wonderful, right, you guys? So there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of how you can do food photography for your online restaurant business for absolutely free. So yeah, I hope you like this amazing tutorial, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.